Hello and welcome back to Steam with Steve. Today we're going to carry on from level number 5 with these challenges that we have in our coding journey. So if we go up here, we're going to start with the concept challenge dangerous steps.
Code combat.
So this one's going to have another set of ogres we're going to need to defeat. So we're going to move right to the start, and then we have Sog and Goss that we need to attack. Then we have Ergo and Crow as well that we're going to attack. So same concept as before. We type in our character, so hero. We then want to attack, and we want to attack Sog first. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste that underneath. Then we're going to do it again, but this time, oh, that's kind of cute. They've done it backwards. So Sog is Goss backwards, and Goss is Sog backwards. Then it's going to move right, and then we want to attack the next group. So then we're going to, instead of Sog, we've copied and pasted, we're going to do Ergo. And then instead of Ergo, for the next one, we're going to do Crow. Okay. Is that going to work? Yes, yes. Oh, and then also we can see these little crystals down the bottom here. So let's be little overachievers. So we're going to go hero dot down, move down. Oop. Down. Then hero dot move up. So now we've collected that gem, and then at the end, to get the last gem, we're going to also move down. Don't need to do that, but just because it's there, why not? So we've attacked Goss, we've then gone down to get the gem, we've then gone across, and hopefully we'll attack Ergo first. If you look at our code, you see the sequence it's following, then Crow, and then we're going to move down. Perfect. All worked. Great, so we'll move back, and then looks like we'll be moving on to level number 6. So hopefully you've picked something up with that and enjoyed it, and see you next time with Steam with Steve. See you later.